What's going on, guys? Chris here with Retail Algo Trader. The date is August 28th, 2018, and today we're going to be talking about a strategy known as the Value Area 80% Rule. At retailalgotrader.com, we have a Value Area Indicator under the Indicators section, and this strategy is a strategy that is commonly used with that indicator. You'll see this strategy used a lot by price distribution and volume profile traders. It's commonly used in the futures market and U.S. equity market. However, you're not going to really see it used in the Forex market just because of the nature of what it requires. It requires a day-to-day close and open, so there has to be sessions. The Forex market is open 24/7, Monday through Friday, so you're not really going to see it used there. Basically, what the strategy states is that there is an 80% chance of you filling from one side of the value area to the other if conditions are met. And those conditions are you open above or below the value area, you come inside the value area, and you close two separate 30-minute periods inside the value area. If that happens, there's an 80% chance that you'll fill from one side to the other. And the examples we're going to look at is the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq. This will be on the futures. And so we'll take a look at these examples here. What you see on the screen is the value area high, the point of control, and the value area low. And these three pieces of information are supplied with from the previous day's price action. So the point of control is where the single most amount of volume occurred at any given price. So that price right there is where the most volume occurred the previous day. And then 70% of the volume fell within this range. And that defines your value area. So when we look at the top here, we had an open above the value area. We had one close, and then we had a second close. So that satisfies the conditions for filling to the other side. Now we came back above, but it didn't matter. We still came back down. We still came back down in. We ran around the point of control for a little bit and came back down to fill the entire gap. And that is just one example of seeing the value area 80% rule in action. Another one that we're going to look at is the Nasdaq, and this is from filling from bottom to top. When we take a look at the Nasdaq, we had the value area low coming up into the point of control and then filling to the high. We started off by opening outside of the value area. We closed one session. We tried to close a second, but it failed. So we came back down, hovered around below the value area for a while, and we came back up and we closed one and two periods inside the value area. So that satisfied the criteria for us needing to fill to the top. Now you can see that we came down below the value area. No problem. We already satisfied conditions. We came right back up, hung around point of control for a minute, and filled right to the top side. And that's exactly what you're looking for with this value area strategy. So that's the value area 80% rule. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment. Again, check out retailalgotrader.com for indicators and automated strategies, as well as educational videos and mentoring. My name is Chris. Have a good day.